Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a personalized YouTube red button. First we're going to take some black acrylic paint that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to fully coat this wooden plaque with the black paint. You're going to use a painter's sponge brush and you're going to fully coat it all the way through. Make sure that none of the wooden parts are showing. Make sure you go through the middle. Also make sure you hit up those sides so you won't be able to see the wooden parts. Next, I'm going to be taking a smaller wooden plaque. Got this from Michael's as well. I'm going to use some red acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the front of my plaque. And I'm going to flip it over and paint the sides as well as the back. You don't really need to paint the back, just make sure you hit up the sides. Next I'm going to take a ruler and a pencil and I'm going to measure 3 inches down and make my markings on both sides. I'm creating a triangle. And then you're going to take the other end and measure up 2.5 inches, make your indentation, and connect your lines to create your YouTube red play button. And forgive the mess, it got a little messy on the tablecloth, so the ruler looks all jacked up and so does the table, sorry. Next I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to paint in the center of the triangle. I'm going to take a small paintbrush to get very precise lines. Make sure to try and stay in between those lines as much as possible, but if you mess up, no big deal. You can take a sponge brush with a little bit of red paint and clean up the sides. Next, I'm going to be taking these canvases that I got for $1.97 from Michael's on clearance, and I'm going to use some more of the black acrylic paint. I'm going to apply the black paint to all of my canvases. I found these on clearance. They usually run, I believe, for $7.99 a piece. I'll have the full details in the description box on the sizing of these as well. Next I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to add it into a container as well as some black glitter. And then I'm going to mix all of that together. This will seal the glitter. And I'm going to apply that to all of my characters. I would suggest using a painter's sponge. I used a small paintbrush and it took quite a while to fully coat all of that. So definitely use a painter's sponge so that you can have it more even. But these did turn out beautiful. They had a nice sparkle to them, which is what I wanted. I love the effect that it gave, even though it looks like quite a bit of a mess right now. So lastly, you're going to take these small wooden white letters that I got from Michael's. I do apologize, I did accidentally delete the film for the rest of this DIY, but you're just simply going to hot glue each letter down and that will complete your DIY. Everything will be listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys really soon in another DIY. Bye.